Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Nandito naman po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Ang ating pong reading na pagsasamahan ngayon ay isang general reading para sa ating mga pinakamalas sign ng Scorpio. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs, this is for you. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates na laging nanonood at nakaabang sa mong panig ng Pilipinas sa at buong mundo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. And kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading ngayon, don't hesitate to comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe po. Reading ko, this is for you, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Last shuffle natin at kunin na natin yung 10 baraha. Sige. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Scorpio. Ulitin ko, hindi po ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa inyo sapagkat simula noon hanggang ngayon ay andyan pa rin po kayo. Although matagal na panahon po tayo na hindi nakapag-upload, but napaka-overwhelming po ng inyong naging response sa ating muling pagbabalik. I hope and I pray na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. You're safe, you're healthy, and you're in good condition. And of course, you're happy. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, last 5 cards, Scorpio. So, yan. Okay. Your 10 cards are now complete. Huwag na nating patagalin pa. Scorpio, kamusta kayong lahat? Mga Scorpio kong soulmates. So, patang natin yung... So, Scorpio, let's begin your general reading with these 2 of swords. So, I can see here a new opportunity that will rise for you. May isang panibagong, it seems that parang offer or panibagong, opportunity for a work or something na ilalabas mo ang iyong talent. Because I can see here an eyelet sa likod or parang, it's like bigla siyang magpa-pop up out of nowhere. But you will be considering this kasi parang ito din ang gusto mo or parang dito din aligned ang iyong, skills and talent. But you will need decision making. Magde-decide ka talaga. Okay? You will be asking for the guidance of the universe and you will be considering a lot of things first before doing this. Maging matalino sa desisyon, but it's up to you. Titingnan natin sa mga susunod na baraha. But I can see here a new opportunity that will be opening for you, a door of opportunity that will arise for you. Okay, so titingnan natin Scorpio. So we have here a celebration card, okay? Pangalawang baraha, sinagot na tayo. If you're asking me if the universe, if you're asking the universe if you're going to push for it, then if you're ready, yes, because there's a celebration card here. So it means that kung ano man yung bagong opportunity that will be opening for you. So if you're ready or is like confident ka naman na pasukan yan or gawin yan, then go for it. Ulitin ko. It's a go signal from the universe because we have here the 3 of Cups, which means celebration. It will make you happy, it will make you celebrate. And expect also other big things, good news na paparating sa Scorpio because we have here a celebration card. There are some of you Scorpio na in the soonest time, in the upcoming days, will be celebrating. So maybe may mga event kayo, may mga party, wedding, birthdays na pagkakaalpalahan, may mga gatherings, reunions, or something na at least, you're going to celebrate. So, next, we have 2 of Pentacles. So, it needs the universe and the spirit guide is sending you a message to find balance sa lahat ng bagay, sa lahat ng aspeto daw Scorpio. It seems na parang may hindi balance ang lahat para sa'yo. Aside from the Pentacles, aside sa kapirahan ni Scorpio, you need to find your balance in terms of time, energy, presence o kung ano man yan, parang binubuhos mo lahat ng energy mo sa isang bagay lang at to the point na nakakalimutan mo ng, balanse ang ibang bagay like nalilipasan ka ng pagkain or parang yung tulog mo hindi kumpleto or seems na parang busy ka sa kaka-attend ng mga gatherings, sa mga friends mo, sa invitation. So, we have here like a wave at the background. So, maybe it will cause you disbalance to the point na mapektuhan yung health mo. So, Scorpio, consider finding your balance. Walang masama sa mga bagay-bagay as long as alam natin kung paano balansehin ang lahat, okay? So, let's continue. We have your judgment card. This is expect a kumbaga, eager result or kumbaga, kung may nantay kang result ng something na wino-work on mo, maybe exam, visa, approval, promotion. So, this judgment card signifies that it will be coming in the soonest time. Hindi ito magtatagal. Malapit na ito. Kasi agarang resolution or parang it's like early result. Parang pag sinabi natin judgment card ang lumalabas, kumbaga, pag may in-expect ka, pag may pre-process ka, so it's like mabilis ang magiging resulta nito, yung hatol nito. So, Scorpio, if you're waiting for something, for a good news, or if you're waiting for a result of something that you have worked for the past weeks, for the past months, so expect a result in the soonest time. And since andito yung celebration card, sinasabi ko sa inyo that it is also one of the thing na magiging reason kung bakit may celebration kayo na parating. So, congratulations in advance, Scorpio. Then, we have here, okay, Five of Pentacles. So, Five of Pentacles, this is for the Scorpio working on a place or parang trabaho na medyo malamig. So, maybe you're working in an office, di ba, air condition. So, also sa mga bansang malamig, European countries, English countries like Australia, Canada, US, New Zealand. So, if you can resonate here, what I'm saying is if you're working in that areas or that places, the universe is sending you a message to be cautious or to be mindful with your finances. Kasi di ba alam natin, all to pentacles to, pero to, pag snowy or malamig ang panahon like Korea, Japan, so parang hindi mabagal yung kilos ng mga tao. Medyo matumal, yung sarado yung mga shops, restaurant, kasi di ba, yun, malamig ang panahon. Parang nakakatamad gumalaw pag malamig. So, at least that was the best time for you to be mindful sa mga paglabas-pasok ng pera. Lalong-lalo na pag-save kasi syempre, ilang buwan din yung winter season o yung taglamig. So, pag bumalik na uli yung summer and spring, so pag bumalik ng lots and then arangkada ka na naman. But this is the best time for you to save money or to be mindful and cautious sa iyong mga kaperahan, Scorpio. Mag-comment po kayo kung nakaresonate kayo. And like and share ng ating videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Let's continue, Scorpio, sa yung general reading with this Chariot card. Very beautiful. So, magkatapat sila dito ng Two of sword na sinabi ko, you will be deciding dito sa bagong opportunity na parating sa'yo, magbubukas sa'yo. So, ulitin ko, pangatlong sagot ko kasi andito yung celebration. Sabi ko, if you're asking for a sign, for an answer from the universe, kung susunggaban mo ito or mag-go ka dito, yes, because here is the Chariot card. It signifies movement. So, rapid movement. May paggalaw talaga, may pag-move ng position mo. So, it's like this is like a rags to riches na story. So, from siguro ito na talaga itong opportunity na magbubukas sa'yo, ito na talaga yung magbibigay sa'yo ng stability, makakatulong. It's like, you don't need to worry with finances kasi malaki yung sahod dito, maraming bonuses, at the same time, masaya ka kasi ito talaga yung gustong-gusto mo, aligned ito sa skills mo and sa iyong talent. So, go for it, Scorpio. If kung mapanood mo to and you're asking for a sign, if you're asking for a sign to move abroad, magtrabaho abroad, yes, because this Chariot means moving to some new place. Okay? Lilipat ng trabaho, lilipat ng bahay, any kind of something movement, may paggalaw. Yes, this is the best time, Scorpio, to do that thing. Okay? We have here also the Five of Swords. Napakaraming Scorpio ngayon ang nagka-cut off, nagpa-burn bridges na ng mga sitwasyon, relationship, friendship, familial ties na hindi na nag-work para sa iyo or parang toxic na or hindi na healthy. So that's a good thing, Scorpio. Nakikita natin dito, hindi to biglaan. But paunti-unti mong nilalayo ang sarili mo sa mga tao at sitwasyon na nag-serve as negativities, nagpo-produce ng negativities, and of course, these toxicities ang nag-serve as blockages para pumasok ang blessings and manifestations mo. So, kapag natuluyan mo na itong nalayuan at you focus in yourself and parang nagkaroon ka na ng peace of mind, so magugulat ka ng flow ng manifestations mo, lahat ng wishes mo, pinapangarap, binubulong sa universe ay isa-isang magbubukas para sa iyo. So, you don't, wag ka na magtaka dito, just need to continue doing this, okay? Pagpatuloy mo lang yung Scorpio, di ba? Yan yung advice natin na nakaraan. So, you need, if it's necessary, Okay, kahit gaano pa kahabang pinagsamahan nyo, kahit gaano pa ka-precious yung mga panahon na pinagsamahan nyo. But if it's not working for you anymore, so you need to think of yourself. Sarili mo naman ang isipin mo. Kasi kapag masyado kang toxic at hindi na talaga healthy, it's time. This is the best time to move away from that situation, Scorpio. Okay? So, let's continue. Oh, eto may Queen of Pentacles talaga, magkatapat sila dito. Dito sinabi ko sa inyo, di ba, balansehin hindi lang kaperahan lahat ng aspeto, time, energy. So, meron tayo ditong Queen of Pentacles. May stability talaga in terms of finances. So, may maraming Scorpio ang na-promote or nakapag natanggap sa mga trabaho na mas malaki yung sahod kaysa dati. So, stability, katatagan ng finances. Siguro dati, yung pinagtatrabahoan mo, maliit ang sweldo, pinagtyagaan mo lang. But now, maraming Scorpio nakikita ko dito na nakuha na yung job offer na talagang suitable sa kanilang skills at the same time well compensated sila or talagang kontento sila sa sahod or sa bayad. At the same time, yung mga Scorpio na nagpo-flourish or magpo-flourish pa lalo, magbe-branch out pa yung negosyo, maganda ang pasok ng kapirahan sa kanila. So this Queen of Pentacles is Scorpio. The universe is telling you that be still, don't worry, because in terms of finances or kapirahan, you are in a right path or you are in a good situation. Okay? So, napakaganda naman ito. Napakasimple, napaka-cool. What I'm saying, napaka-chill lang nitong reading natin. Scorpio, wow, you have this star card. Sabi ko nga, you will be shining. Makikilala ka, there will be recognition, your name will be read aloud, ipapangangalandakan. So, if you do, since dito rin sa judgment card nakatapat, di ba sinabi ko sa iyo, agaran, mabilisan na resulta, resolution. So, expect a really good news. So, this is another confirmation card na kung ano man yung inaantay mo, talagang matutupad yan or talagang aayon sa iyo yung good news. At the same time, sinabi ko related dun sa pangalan mo na magiging matunog, makikilala ka. Maybe siguro may tinatrabaho ka na something na related sa yung skills, dyan ka magaling, yan talaga yung minamaster mo. Parang biglang biglang madidiscover ito ng karamihan. So, you will be gaining following. It's like, the star, celebrity. So, parang yung talagang, uy, si ganito, si Scorpio, ang galing pala magganito. Panuorin mo yung mga videos niya, pakinggan mo yung mga podcast niya. Si Scorpio is very inspirational. So, ganun. So, it's like, you will be gaining new followers. Like, this star card signifies that your name, your position, or kung ano man ang pagkatao mo ay mag-gain ng followers or you will be inspiring a lot of people. Scorpio, tapusin natin itong napaka-cool, napaka-chill mong reading, general reading with your 10 and last card, 3 of Swords. So, magkatapat sila dito ng 5 of Pentacles. Ito sinabi ko yung mga nagtatrabaho sa malamig na lugar na maging maingat or maging matalino sa paghawak ng pera. So, since this is 3 of Swords, nakikita ko lang dito parang medyo malungkot lang kayo, discontented lang kayo, or may konting heartbreak. Not sila heartbreak, parang medyo may konting, what is this? Sama ng loob or parang something. It's because siguro most of you are breadwinners of the family, ikaw lahat ang nagbibigay, ikaw lahat ang nagpro-provide. So that's why parang nagsaself-pity ka hanggang kailan ba. Pero ito lang nakikita ko dito. This is not about love life, but this is all about responsibilities sa family, sa mga anak, o kung ano man yan. Kasi ito, nagtatrabaho ka, parang ikaw sa'yo inaasa ang lahat. Okay, but that was just a small thing, Scorpio. Kayang-kaya mo lahat solusyonan as long as stable naman ang lahat para sa'yo. You just need to continue, give, and being responsible kasi that is a plus factor for you. So that is a plus points for you for the universe for a more blessings na i-boost niya sa'yo. So don't worry about thinking na hanggang kailan ako, naaasahan nila hanggang kailan ako magpo-provide, but puro ako na lang yung just remove that kind of thinking, shift to the positive side wherein nakakatulong ka, nakakapakain ka, nakakapagpaaral ka. So ang lagi mong isipin yung balik niya na doble at triple pa mula sa Panginoon at sa universe. Okay, Scorpio, I hope and I pray na maraming nasa signing Scorpio makapanood nito ngayon at maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala suporta. Please comment, like, and share of course. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.